Hi friends, my name is Viri here at the Children's Museum Houston. Do you know what day is coming up? It will be Father's Day soon. And today we will be creating a crafty picture frame for a Father's Day gift. So to create your picture frame, you can use any of your household items like a construction paper or cardboard. You also need something to decorate with like stickers like I have here, any type of marker like a Sharpie, and scissors. We will be creating it with a construction paper. First, what you will need is you will need to cut the construction paper in half. So we need to fold it. And for me, it's easier if I cut it by ripping it. So that's what we will do. Or you can use your scissors, whichever you like. Next, to create the picture frame in the middle, you will fold the piece of construction paper right in the corner as if you're going to fold it in half. You're going to grab your pair of scissors and you're just going to cut it slightly, just like that. So you can cut a piece in the middle, and then you will continue to cutting the rest by placing the scissors right in the middle and cutting a rectangle inside. Make sure you leave enough space so you can write something on the picture frame. And remember, I know it's a picture frame, but the picture can be anything. It doesn't have to be a picture of you and your dad. It could be something that he likes as well. Once that's done, we can bring out our stickers and we can decorate around. So I'm gonna write Happy Father's Day on top. And for the rest, I will decorate it with some stickers. This is our picture frame. For the cardboard piece of picture frame, you can use a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife. If you're going to use an X-Acto knife, please have an adult to help you do that, because that's what I used to cut right through the middle, and it was way much easier since it's thicker. And there you have it, your crafty Father's Day picture frame. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want some more hands-on activities, come out and visit us. I'm Viridiana, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!